In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Tasks in just about 5 minutes. Now, for many of us, staying on top of our tasks is crucial to maintaining productivity, and what better way to manage these tasks than by integrating them with your Google Calendar? Let's dive in and see how this can be accomplished smoothly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Google. This is as simple as entering www.google.com into your web browser's address bar. Once there, you'll immediately notice the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. This step is the gateway to accessing all your personalized Google features, including Calendar and Tasks. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Do so carefully to ensure accuracy and avoid any login issues. Hitting Next will then bring you to the password entry screen. Here you'll type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive and must be entered exactly as you set it up. Should you face any issues logging in, double check your credentials and try again, or utilize the Forgot My Password feature for assistance. Once you've successfully signed in, your next destination is the Google dashboard. Google keeps this dashboard tidy and accessible, but it might not be immediately obvious where to find the link. Fear not, for it typically appears as a default part of your signed-in Google experience. If in doubt, typing Google Dashboard into the search bar will also get you there quickly. Upon reaching the dashboard, you'll be greeted by the familiar waffle icon, a small grid that sits near your profile picture or initial in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click this icon to unveil a range of Google services at your disposal. Among them, you'll find Calendar, your next click. With Google Calendar opened, look for the settings icon represented by a gear, usually located at the top right corner of the page. The settings panel is your control room for customizing your Google Calendar experience. But for our purpose today, we'll direct our attention to the import and export option found within this menu. Clicking on Import and Export reveals options for managing your calendar data, including the powerful feature we're interested in today, importing tasks. While Google Calendar is primarily designed for managing time-specific events, it can also serve as a hub for your tasks, including those you've managed elsewhere and wish to integrate. And there you have it, step by step, we've navigated from the Google homepage to the very section where you can import your tasks into Google Calendar. While the specifics of formatting your tasks for import or selecting the right file might vary depending on your source, the journey through Google's interface remains a straightforward experience, designed with user-friendliness in mind. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember that staying organized and on top of your tasks is about finding the system that works best for you. Integrating everything into Google Calendar can provide a seamless way to manage both your time and tasks, keeping productivity high and stress levels low. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to import your tasks into Google Calendar, whether it's for personal use, work, or anything in between. Mastering these tools can make a world of difference in managing your day-to-day. Thank you for joining us, and here's to a more organized and productive you.